You know the bad thing about having a horse that's just a vacuum cleaner? Well, I'm assuming that's a no. So I'm gonna tell you. You have to go through their pen regularly and pick up random garbage that they thought was food. Because anything that is near their pen, they think, oh look, some food. And they try to eat it. So then when they decide they can't eat it, they throw it down in their room like normal children. I'm sure we've all had things that we just don't know what to do with, so we just throw in the closet. That's the same with vacuum cleaners.